On this Moriseki machine with CELOS CNC, we just have changed the CNC battery, so we're gonna reset the diagnosis screen. We need to open the settings, and in settings we are gonna change this area. This is the layout for the settings screen, so we're gonna change this area to machine settings. And now we have NC settings, and we do have diagnosis screen. Right here you have the screen for hardware configuration. You have all the data here. You have the input outputs. You can check them status, and you can also force if you want it. And then here you can see the drive servo units diagnosis, and this is the display code in each servo. Then you have a spindle diagnosis. Let's check the servo diagnosis and page down. We have more details right here, and you have some controls, input output, that are given by manual. And we have some diagnostics here. And this is the alarm history on each drive in DX and Z, X2, Z2. These are the codes that were there at this time. This is the working time right now, 12,575. So you can check these alarms. This is the time, you see. And at this time, 11,753, we had the alarm code 5D, and here 2F, and here 5E, and so on. And let's check let's check if we have any other pages. We have up to 8 alarms in the history of the alarm, the drive's alarm, and that's it. And let's check the spindle. The same, we have some history, we have all the data for the spindle. And that's it, and the power supply unit. And we also have some alarms history on the power supply. And we can clear all those alarms if we want to. And then we do have NC diagnosis. We don't have anything there. Alarm messages. We have this message on the CNC. We have the PLC. We have this history. Then we have self-diagnosis, and here we can change or clear the battery alarm, because now it says that it has been used 4 years. So you can clear this. And if you're sure, you just hit enter. And we also have some diagnostic for the Ethernet connectivity, and we're gonna hit enter. We clear the errors. And we have remote I/O diagnosis. We can also clear that. And we have servo errors, and we can clear them. So, and the temperature on the CNC is 42 degrees, so you have this kind of diagnosis. And this diagnosis I haven't used it yet, but some other diagnosis that you can use. Okay? Thank you.